This is brought to you by Harlin Mo, Rodelas Pustizo, and Marian Facial Powder.
Career. Your future. Your life. Prepare it now. In Baguio City, the city of fine. Fine city colleges. Nothing yet. Then choose a course that can bring out the best in you. College of Janitry. College of Imbalsamatry. College of Drug Rehabilitation. College of Fencers. College of Security. College of Armory. College of Terrorism. College of Thieving. The Dean. Admission Office. Magsaysay Avenue, Baguio City. Call us at 074-445-9065 or 445-22-110 tututo ka. Local 31. Our facilities. Small campus. No library. No canteen. No classroom. No laboratories. No modern health facilities. Bookstore. With mom-to-mother admission requirements. Preschool, nursery, 15 years old. Nursery 2, 21 years old. Kindergarten, 25 years old. A photocopy of birth certificate and death certificate. School. Form 138, report card. Must have a grade of below 84. Certificate of bad moral character. Grade 1 applicants at least 32 years of age. College for high school graduates. Form 138 high school report card. Certificate of bad moral character. Death certificate. Pregnancy kit. Medical certificate. Interviewed by Charlene Fabian. Two copies 100 by 100 ID pictures. Bring original copy and one photocopy of document. For transfer students, honorable dismissal, certified false copy of grade, and certificate of bad moral characteristics. For Bachelor of Science in Imbalsamatry enrollees only, death certificate, medical certificate. 2 copies, 100 by 100 ID picture. Must be 64 years of age. Scholarship. Baltown. Scholarship. Full scholar. Free tuition fees for students who enroll the full load and with an academic average of 2% or higher. Partial scholar. 50% discount on tuition fees for students who are disabled and with an academic average of 50% and lower. Entrance scholarship. Full scholar for high school valedictorian. Partial scholar for high school repeaters. Scholarship for athletes. Cultural scholarship. Educational assistance program. Regular school year. Registration and employment. Preschool, elementary, and high school. April 2006 to May 2010. College. First semester. Nananawagan po kami.
Yun na yun.